Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Discover It Chrome versus Discover It Cashback. We'll dive into the unique features of each card, helping you understand their distinct advantages. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which Discover card aligns best with your spending habits and financial aspirations, ensuring you make an informed decision for your wallet and future. The Discover It Chrome card offers straightforward rewards, perfect for everyday spending. You'll earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. All other purchases receive 1% cash back. Plus, enjoy a 0% introductory Apparel purchases for 6 months, with no annual fee and access to your FICO credit score. For those who enjoy maximizing rewards, the Discover It Cashback card is a great option. It provides 5% cash back in rotating categories on up to $1,500 in purchases each quarter. Past categories have included popular spots like Amazon.com and grocery stores. All other purchases still earn 1% cash back, and it also includes a 0% introductory Apparel purchases for 6 months. Deciding between these cards depends on your spending style. If you prefer consistent rewards without tracking categories, Chrome is ideal for gas and dining. For those who enjoy maximizing earnings through rotating categories, Cashback offers higher potential. Both cards match all cash back earned at the end of the first year. Speaking of smart choices, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, among other deals, linked in the description.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.